come with me as we are 1 week away from Valentine's Day to make these really cool, somewhat large Valentine's Day gift bags. How cute are these little candy holders? We'll be right back with those. But first up, we are going to put some stickers on these beautiful little red bags. They're not actually stickers, they are window clings, but we're going to make it work and we're going to make it look beautiful. Now they are pretty thin, so I'm using my little Cricut tools to help me peel them up so that I don't rip them. I just used 2 little small glue dots just to give it a little extra security so it don't come off the bag. Now I'm just going to peel the rest off really quickly, and here's bag 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So cute. It's time to go back to our cute little candy fillers, and we're going to put some chocolates in them and a little bit of candy. This is probably my favorite part. I did steal a chocolate or 2. Now this piece is for the back of the candy holders, that if you had really tiny candies, I don't know, like Skittles or gum pieces, you can slide it open and take a few out, slide it back. So that's what the back piece is for. I'm just going to quickly glue together all of these little holders, and then we're going to stuff them with our candy. Not going to do all 9 of them on camera, but I did want to show you one. So you basically fill in the candy and then you close it. You can use little glue dots. How cute is that? Like I said, I did make 9 and here are the rest. So yummy and cute. Let's move along. Let's stuff these beautiful boxes too. Take that off. Some of them have them, some of them don't. Take that off. Alright, so first up we have some beautiful socks. Let's go ahead and fill them in before I love it. Now I'm only using 2 of these desk decor blocks in these gift boxes. Another filler, we're going to put some Valentine's Day fortune cookies, so we're going to put them in each basket, each box, and the bigger ones have 3 items. Okay. I'm just going to add these beautiful heart confetti pieces, and then we're going to move along. I've already pre-packed the eye mask and lip mask, as you see here, so those are going to go in the bags as well. Now the side of these bags were just a little too plain for me, so I did add another kind of heart ribbon. You will see that towards the end, but for now I'm going to be mixing some shredding. So we have like a tannish color and then the red. So let's assemble this first bag. And the second bag will have all red. So each bag you can put different colors in. So now let's go ahead and assemble. Close your eyes. You didn't just see that. Chocolates. A beautiful panda. Lip mask. A little beauty package. Put that towards the back. How cute is this trucker filled with kisses chocolates? Actually gonna put these towards the front. Yes, much better. Okay. And back. We can't have a Valentine's Day gift without some stuffed animals. Look at how beautiful these little teddies are. The red pops so much. Now here's the side that I was telling you about that needs a little extra oomph. So that's the first ribbon. And now we're going to add the little side ribbons, which are hearts. Love it. We have completed our side ribbons. They are not in the crease. They are on the side of the crease in case the bag needs to be folded. It won't mess up. How beautiful. And these are on all the bags.